Today we talk about how can you create ads on your Meta Business Switch app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on tools down here. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, so you just click here on ads. When you click here on ads, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on manage, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Sorry, when you come to this list here, just click here on create ad here, so then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you just click here for to any video here you want to create ads. So then you go down here, and here can you select paper receipt here, and here can you select here price. So then here start date here, so you fill all this information, that add your card information, then you click here on post renew, that it's going to create with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.